Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are healthy and well. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that many of you have asked me. Which is better, treadmill or outdoor running? This is a hot topic among runners, and there are pros and cons to both options. So let's dive into it and see which one suits you better. One of the main differences is the impact on your joints. Running on a treadmill is generally easier on your joints than running on hard surfaces like concrete or asphalt because the treadmill belt absorbs some of the shock. This can reduce your risk of injury and make your run more comfortable. However, running on a treadmill can also cause some problems, such as boredom, muscle imbalance, and reduced running efficiency. Let me explain why. Running on a treadmill can be boring because you're running in the same place with the same scenery and the same pace. This can make you lose motivation and interest and affect your performance. To avoid this, you can try to vary your speed, incline, and duration, or watch something on a screen, or listen to music or podcasts. But nothing can beat the variety and excitement of running outdoors, where you can enjoy different routes, terrains, weather, and scenery. Running on a treadmill can also cause muscle imbalance because you're using the same muscles in the same way, without engaging other muscles that you would use outdoors, such as your stabilizers, your core, and your glutes. This can lead to weakness, tightness, and injury in the long run. To prevent this, you can do some cross-training, such as strength training, yoga, or cycling, or run on different types of treadmills, such as curved or inclined ones. Running on a treadmill can also reduce your running efficiency because you're not facing any wind resistance and the belt is moving under you rather than you pushing off the ground. This can make you run faster and easier on a treadmill than outdoors, but it can also make you less prepared for outdoor races or challenges. To compensate for this, you can increase the incline of the treadmill by 1% or 2%, or do some speed work or intervals to simulate the outdoor conditions and improve your running economy. On the other hand, running outdoors has its own advantages and disadvantages. One of the main advantages is the mental and physical stimulation that you get from running in nature, with fresh air, sunlight, and changing scenery. This can improve your mood, creativity, and cognitive function, as well as your running performance and health. Studies have shown that running outdoors can lower your blood pressure, heart rate, and perceived exertion compared to running indoors. Another advantage of running outdoors is the challenge and variety that you face, such as hills, turns, wind, and obstacles. This can make you work harder, engage more muscles, and burn more calories than running on a flat and smooth treadmill. This can also improve your balance, coordination, and agility, as well as your running skills and confidence. However, running outdoors also has some drawbacks, such as the weather, the traffic, and the safety. Running outdoors can be affected by the weather conditions, such as rain, snow, heat, or cold, which can make your run more difficult, uncomfortable, or even dangerous. You also have to deal with the traffic, such as cars, bikes, or pedestrians, which can slow you down, distract you, or cause accidents. And you have to be careful about your safety, especially if you run alone, at night, or in unfamiliar areas. You should always wear reflective clothing, carry a phone, and tell someone where you're going. So, which is better, treadmill or outdoor running? The answer is, it depends. It depends on your personal preference, your goals, your fitness level, and your availability. Some people prefer to run on a treadmill because they find it more convenient, comfortable, and consistent. Some people prefer to run outdoors because they find it more fun, stimulating, and challenging. And some people like to do both, depending on the situation and the mood. The best advice I can give you is to try both options and see which one works better for you. You can also mix them up and enjoy the benefits of both. For example, you can run on a treadmill when the weather is bad, or when you want to do a specific workout, such as speed work or intervals. And you can run outdoors when the weather is good, or when you want to do a long run or a race. The most important thing is to listen to your body and do what makes you happy and healthy. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments below, which one do you prefer, treadmill or outdoor running? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.